All right, now we're going to look at some examples of how to standardize problems. So here is an example. We have a system with an uncertain gain. And the gain k is between two values. We know that it's uncertain, but it's not completely uncertain. It's known between some values k1 and k2. Okay, and so it's not completely uncertain, but we don't know exactly what this value is. So how do we put a system like this into one of the standard forms? For example, how would I put a system like this into a form like this, a multiplicative form like this? So that's an example. It turns out we can, and we will actually show that in the practice problems. But that's the kind of thing we're looking for. Here we have an uncertain time delay. So this is a time delay. Here's a nominal plant. Our time delay is uncertain. It is between 0 and some maximum time delay value. And how would we put that into a standard form? So notice that because it appears this way, it is a multiplicative type form. And so we put it into a multiplicative. So how would we find, for example, W such that the uncertainty has infinity norm less than or equal to 1, and all of this works? How would we find the W, for example, that does this? Likewise, if we just have a time delay, uncertain time delay like we had before, is it possible to put that into a form like this, that is an additive uncertainty? Is it possible to, so can we put it this way or this way, an additive uncertainty? So that is, it turns out we can in fact do that, and we'll see that in the practice problems. So this is an example where we have a number of uncertain systems, and we are able to put them into a standard form, and we'll actually go through and show the details of that in the practice problems.